Hey guys, Marion the Barbarian here. We got a fun shave for you today. It is brought to you by Kenabler and John's Shave Shop, pretty much. So guys, a little disclaimer. I did some trading with John's Shave Shop. He gave me some work. I gave him some razors, and when he sent it back, he sent back one of his soaps to try. So, 10's okay with me. You know, CDB, he's not a 10 guy. He's not a fan of it. When I see him talk about 10s, it reminds me of that movie Mommy Dearest, you know, no more wire hangers. No more wire hangers! That's what I think of with CDB, and no one got that reference. Maybe CDB got that reference. This looks like a hot pour, guys. I think it's a glycerin base, but I'm not sure. Pretty much a hard soap. One thing I wish it had was ingredients. I do wish it had the ingredients. The fragrance is called Dark and Sexy. It's pretty much dark and sexy. It's good smelling like cologne scent to me. I kind of dig it. I'm actually going to go and see if he has a splash on his site, because I know he started making splashes. But I'll link it below if anyone's interested, and we'll see how this lather goes. I built it up in the bowl already with my Kent Designs handle from Moon Soaps, and my V69 soft titty knot from Smilez is knotted in there. So, actually, I'm going to put a little water in the sink. And guys, this shave brought to you by Kenabler, Shave 326. He sent me his once goat razor, the carbon and stainless steel. I believe this is the .68 blade gap. Ken said that it was so close. It's only .68 though. And it has positive blade exposure. You can see the little P from the Personna kind of sticking out over the edge. So this is Personna, second, third use, whatever it is. I took it out of my razor from the shave yesterday. And yeah, I don't know. I'm not the biggest fan of the handle. I don't care yet. We'll see. So I'm going to give this a try. And Chatillion Lux. Lux. That's what it is. That's how you pronounce it. Unconditional surrender. It's not that they smell alike. It's just, it's a cologne sexy smell. So that's what I went with, and that's what we're going to follow up with. So let's wet the face, guys, and let's get down to business. 2 minutes run. No lather on the face. So guys, comment below if you know what I'm talking about when I say Mommy Dearest, the movie. Saw it when I was young. It is an older movie, guys. It's a true story, though. But yeah, no more. Ooh. Well, I definitely really hydrated this stuff in the bowl. I mean, it looks really nice. Looks good on the brush. But I may have put too much water in it, because it doesn't want to sit on my face. I wish she'd want to sit on my face. But yeah, I may have just overwatered it, guys. Like, looking at it, I mean, looks good here. Let's see. All you need is good slickness. And I didn't use a synthetic, guys, and I really should have if I wanted to give it a fair shot. But we're going to give it a go. We've got slickness. That's all we need. Oh! I'm just joking, guys. That's nice. All right. It's definitely different than anything I have in my den. Angle's nice. Oh yeah. Sorry guys, I'm enjoying the shave. Looking at all the hair coming off on the blade. How efficient is it? Sorry, I'm just, like I said guys, enjoying it. All right. Nice. Really nice, guys. Good amount of hair. We are dealing with just about 24 hours worth of growth. Sorry, I'll beat this a little more, see if I can thicken it up. I did add a lot of water because, you know, I like my soaps to take a drink while I'm lathering them up. So beat it just a little bit more. So it does look a little bubbly and translucent, guys. I did practice lather with the same brush right before, but I did not try to put it on my face and see what it looked like. I just know that I got a nice hydrated looking lather in the bowl. So I don't know, guys, it could be the soap. I may give it another go here soon with like a synthetic and see if it's soap or user error. Because look at this, guys. It's just, I don't know. It's not bubbly when looking in the bowl, but when I put it on my face, it is. Like, there's not as many bubbles in this bowl as there is on my face when I apply it. So, that's different for me. I love the feedback. So much hair coming off, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm doing another brush just for the fuck of it, guys, because this thing's comfortable. Like, no pinching, no biting, very intuitive. Okay, guys, I see this why this could be someone's goat. Comment below, do you want a side-by-side comparison with the carbon? Not the carbon, the carve. I know my boy Ken will be like, how can you compare? What are you going to use? Like, they don't have that blade exposure like the carbon does. But I can tell you what I like between the two. I can bust out. Ah, crap. I only have a C-plate open comb. And I don't think a B plate would be any kind of fair comparison to this. I shouldn't compare an open comb. So maybe I won't do it, because it's not a fair comparison. If I had a C or a D plate, I'd probably try to give it a go and see what the difference is. But I don't. Man. Okay, 2 spots. Now this, I sometimes hit. It's like a little mole thing. Opened up from last shave. So it bit. I should have been aware of this bump, but this is pretty much the only nick I see. So one nick, first time use on razor. Personna Med Prep. Not too bad. Slickness is good on the soap, guys. It just wasn't looking like I wanted it to look. And I may bust out a synthetic and see how that works. See if that changes anything up. See if it's, you know, user error. Try to bring back some confidence in the scenario and see how it goes from there. Because I haven't used this brush either before. I broke it in with this soap. And then here we are with the video. So I'm going to owl them just a little, kind of close up some of this shit. Honestly, guys, no stinging. Wow, none. Impressive, guys. Thank you, Ken. I'm going to use this a few more times. Ken doesn't mind. Yeah, I like this razor. Whew. It's a very nice razor. Maybe I can try some different blades in there and see what I like. Maybe I'll put a Nasset in there. I do like my Nassets, and it's been a while since I've used them. Let's see how that goes in there. So, got the face all done, looking good, feeling good. Chatillion Lux. Chatillion Lux. That's right. Unconditional surrender. Sorry, I went on the thing and checked how to pronounce it. That's what the Google says it is. Chatillion Lux. Chatillion Lux. So, Chatillion Lux. Something like that. I'll eventually get it. Y'all guys don't care. So thank you for coming to my shave. Thank you, Knabler. And yeah, ooh. I like that scent. Sorry, I don't use it a lot, guys, and I don't have the matching soap. I just happened to get this in like a lot purchase that I made on a BST, and sometimes I get stuff that way. It's a good smell, and even though I don't have the soap, I get the best part, right? The aftershave, so I smell like it. So guys, until next time, have a good one. I do appreciate you.